very... Wow. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to share something really exciting with you guys. Well, at least really exciting for me. A couple of days ago, I actually received my first makeup PR package, like my first real, not even real, just my first makeup PR package in general. And I was really excited to receive this. This is just something that I have been dreaming about. And the fact that it's coming to reality is amazing. The company that sent me this makeup is called Il Makiage. I'm pretty sure most of you probably already heard from them. They are the company that recently launched their collaboration with Carly Bible, the lip sets. And they were actually kind enough to send me some stuff. I thought that today we could just look in here, see what they send me, use the products. So as you can probably tell, I've already done my brows just to save us some time. I have already snooped in here to see what's in here, but I haven't used anything. I've just swatched the products except for the Carly Bible Libra lip liner. I just couldn't wait with that one. But everything else in here is new for me. I haven't tried any product of Il Makiage in the past. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. So if you'd like to see what's in these boxes right here, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's see what we have. So I'm just gonna quickly go through the things that they sent me. They sent me the Carly Bible Cosmic Lip Collection. This contains the Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Libra, the High Shine Lip Glaze in Star Child, and the Waterproof Lip Liner in Luna. The packaging of these things is actually so beautiful. As you can see, I've already taken Libra and Luna out because those were the two that I was most excited about. Then they sent me one of the other Carly Bible lip sets. This is the Red Shift lip set. It contains the Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Venus and the Waterproof Lip Liner in Ablaze. This is actually the red set, which I'm very... Wow. This is actually the red... It's not gonna happen. Next up is the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. It looks like this is a very nice, sleek packaging. Then in this box right here, they sent me the Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, a little eyeshadow quad called the Color Boss Quad in the Real Deal, I believe. They sent me the No Filter Poreless Base. This is a primer, the ink liner, and last but not least, I believe a foundation brush. Yeah, the foundation blending brush number 100. Let's not waste too much time talking. I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna start by using the No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. Oh, this feels really, I love how their packaging feels. It just feels very luxurious. Now I have to say I've never used a poreless primer before, mainly because almost all poreless primers have silicone in them, and this definitely has silicone, and I'm a little bit scared. I'm gonna focus this mainly on the T-zone and on my chin. Feels very smooth. That definitely blurred my skin. I've just always been so scared for primers like this clogging up my pores. Okay, so that definitely blurred my skin. It feels exactly how I expected that it would feel, very silicone-y. Doesn't feel horrible on the skin. Speaking about skin, my skin is going through it. I am breaking out. Ugh. Okay, so now for the foundation. As I said, this is the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. This foundation smoothens and evens the skin, minimizes the appearance of shadows and pores, enhances the complexion, and creates a flawless natural matte finish. Okay, so it's medium to high coverage and a super comfortable weightless feeling. Shake well before use. Okay. Oh, and I have the foundation brush, so I'm gonna apply this with the foundation brush. Oh, this looks like my kind of brush. I like these sort of rounded top, like flat buffing brushes for foundation. It really buffs in the foundation very nicely. I'm gonna shake this because it said shake it. Okay, so I started off with 2 pumps on the back of my hand. I don't know how much of this I need. I guess they just guessed my shade by looking at my Instagram because I didn't give them any information about anything. I didn't know they were going to send me a foundation. By the looks of it, I don't think this is my shade. I think this is a little bit too orange for me, but let's just see. This has a interesting smell. Okay, so it's definitely not my shade. As for the brush, I'm not 100% of the brush. I'm gonna switch to my beauty blender really quick because I do want to give this a fair shot. So let me just switch really quick to the brush I always like to put my foundation on with and then blend it out with my beauty blender. Now, as I just said, this is a matte foundation and we all know how I feel about matte foundations. Well, if you're new to my channel, you don't know, but I'm not a huge fan of matte foundations. Okay, so it's definitely matte. I'm not used to being this matte. The primer underneath is definitely still smoothing out my pores. I don't know if the foundation added to that. I don't really think it did, but it's definitely medium coverage. Okay, so foundation is all blended out. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I'm just not used to being this matte. And about this brush, I don't think the brush works well with this foundation, but I do think that this brush is gonna work very nice with my Fenty foundation and my Too Faced one, so I'm definitely gonna try this again. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna do my concealer, powder, bronzer, and everything off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I did my concealer, I powdered everything down, bronzer is on, foundation is actually looking quite alright. I don't mind it. It actually looks pretty good. Should we jump into eyeshadow? Yeah, let's. So, as I said, this is the Color Boss Quad, the real deal. It's an eyeshadow palette of 4. This again feels very luxurious. And it's a very nice palette too. There's 2 mattes in here and 2 shimmers, so I don't really have much choice here and I want to keep it to this palette, so I'm just going to do something very simple, very quick. Let's go into this shade first. This is the shade Lush Life. It's a nice like light peach matte color. Don't know if that's gonna pick up on me. Oh, it does. It does pick up on me. Okay, that shade is on. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Own It, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna pop that in the outer V. These matte shadows are a little chalky. I just popped a little bit of powder on my cheeks because I saw that this shade has a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the eyeshadows to me are applying a little bit chalky, just a little too dry. Oh yeah, sorry, my camera just cut me off. As I was saying, for this to be such a dark color and for it to pick up, show up like this, not really impressed with that, but okay. Let's dip into the shimmer shade. Maybe that will change my mind. My brush is covered in blue eyeshadow and I'm not getting up, so I'm cleaning my brush on my shorts. Wow, that is really nice. If that shade really feels like butter. Oh yeah, that is a super nice shade. It really went on like butter. Okay, so their shimmer shades are amazing. Matte shades, not so much. Can you guys see how nice that is going on? Let's sweep all of the fallout off. I'm just gonna run a little bit of this color, this dark color, on my bottom lash line, focusing it more on the outer part, like that. Let's pop on some mascara. Now for mascara, I have the High Volume Icon Intense Curl Mascara. I'm guessing it's that silver. Yeah, it is. It's that pretty silver packaging again. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's a plastic applicator. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a plastic applicator. This is the type of mascara that to me looks like it's gonna be amazing for the bottom lashes, but let's try it on the top first. Before I apply this, I do have to say that I have no eyelashes to begin with, so for me to be telling you if a mascara is good or not, I mean, that would just make no sense. So the only thing I can tell you is that it's separating my lashes really nice. I like how it's doing that, and I can definitely see the volume, but lengthening wise, I mean, I don't have any eyelashes. I really like this mascara. It's definitely separating and volumizing. Let's try this on the bottom lashes as well. Yep, and I was right. This is great for the bottom lash line. Wow. I like this mascara. This mascara is going into my everyday drawer. I like this a lot. Oh, I have the liner. I almost forgot about this liner. This is the ink liner in black. I did not expect this tip. That's what she said. This is a pretty, I mean, it's a fine tip, but it's a pretty big tip. I mean, it looks promising. Let's try. So I'm gonna do a simple wing. I like that it's not runny and it's very, very black. That was easy. Let's see the other side. The only thing is it's having a little bit of trouble to be as opaque on top of that shimmer eyeshadow I just put down. I fucked up big time on this side, damn. I done fucked up on this side. Yeah, that's not even at all. Okay, it's not gonna get any better than this. Let's just pretend that this situation on this side didn't happen. Let's just pretend like these are even, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna put any lashes on because where am I going? It's 1 a.m. Okay, we've come to the part where I'm most excited for. I'm gonna try on both lip combos because I want to show you guys how it looks. Let's start, even though this doesn't match what's going on up here. Again, let's pretend like it does. I'm first gonna start with the Carly Bible waterproof lip liner in Ablaze. This is such a creamy lip liner. This goes on so smooth, so pigmented. Okay, for lipstick, this is the Carly Bible Dirty Talk matte lip color in Venus. I'm excited. I'm sorry, but if this is not a perfect red lipstick, I don't know what is. This is the most comfortable, smoothest matte lipstick I've ever used. Okay, let's try the other color. Now I'm excited. First, I'm gonna start off with the Carly Bible lip liner in Luna. This color, Luna, this is the perfect dark brown lip liner color for me. She really did a good job on these. And just the lip liners in general, they apply so smooth. Now this set I have right here, it's called the Cosmic Lip Collection. So it comes with the lip liner, a gloss, and of course a matte nude color. I'm actually gonna use the gloss before I use the matte lip shade. This is something I've been doing lately and I like the way this looks. So I'm gonna pop this color in the middle. Wow. That is high shine, all right. I'm gonna put the Dirty Talk matte lip color in the shade Libra on top. Lining it a little bit with Luna again. That is a perfect nude. This is my favorite thing out of everything they send me, that lip liner and this lipstick. I have no idea what I'm gonna do as soon as this runs out. I think I might have to order just a backup one. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna order this one and the lip liner together just for a backup. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually put this lip gloss just a little bit on the bottom, only here on my Cupid's bow, just so it's a little bit more subtle. Okay, that was it for my first PR makeup unboxing, trying on, first impressions video. I really love this whole Carly Bible collection. I wish I had the pink one as well. If I can recommend anything out of this, what I showed you, it's definitely one of those lip products. Even if you only get a liner, they're amazing and you should definitely try them out. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I just really was very excited to show you guys my first PR type of package. Again, just because I received them in PR or I receive things for free does not mean I'm gonna lie and talk up the brand and pretend I like a product if I don't. Okay, so that concludes today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it'll help me out so much. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in my next video.